a number, but it's a lot more than a number. It's been a super hit journey, and we have become today one of the most sought after award show in South India with unparalleled excellence, unmatched authenticity, being the only consistently performing award show in South India year on year, despite all odds. When we envisioned SIIMA in the beginning, it was all about bringing the four South Indian industries together to celebrate talent across the globe. Soon we became one big happy family where the four South Indian film industries embraced us and made them one among themselves. And now we are very proud to say we are one big happy family where we look forward for SIIMA year on year as a celebration of unparalleled style, celebrations, felicitations, and a lot more. No dream can be possible without fueling it with the right kind of support, and I must take this opportunity to say that our sponsors have been of immense support, our backbone in making this dream happen. I take this special moment to thank Nexa sir. Thank you both so much for fueling our dream, for believing in us, trusting in us, and I promise you that we'll make sure we do our best and make this a grand celebration. And Sir Dr. Roy, thank you so much for always being a part of our family, supporting us over the years. And all our industry friends who are seated here today, thank you so much for believing in us and being a part of our dream and part of our journey. And I'd also like to thank all our media friends who are present today, who are always supportive, who always turn up for us, cheering for us. Please continue the support, and I'll let all the other dignitaries take on for today's evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you. SIIMA ಅಂದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಷ್ಣು ಆಗಲಿ, ಬೃಂದ ಆಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೀಗೆ SIIMAದು ಪ್ರತಿ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗಲೂ. ಈ ಸರಿನೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಸರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ದುಬೈಯಲ್ಲಿ SIIMA ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು. ನನಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ SIIMA ಅಂತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಮೆಮೊರಿನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅನಿಸೋದು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಖುಷಿ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರು ನನ್ನ ಬರ್ಡೇ ದಿನ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಈ ಸರಿ ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಈಗ SIIMA ಇಂದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಾವಿದರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೋಡೋವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವೇದಿಕೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಕೆಲಸಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯ, ಅದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯ ಈ ಥರದ್ದೊಂದು ಈವೆಂಟು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ SIIMA ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಈ ಸರಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಏನಂದರೆ ಲಿರಿಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸಾಹಿತಿಯಾಗಿ, ಗೀತ ಸಾಹಿತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಖುಷಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ನು SIIMA ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಅದು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದಂತೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಶಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Firstly, I'm very happy that I'm here in Bangalore. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದು. So it's a really nice thing that first time SIIMA I'm being a part of, and it's happening in Bangalore. And I'm meeting all you media friends after really long. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here for supporting SIIMA. I'm super excited. ಈ ಸರಿ ನಾನು perform ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So congratulations to all the nominees and all the very best this year. SIIMA, I'm sure, will be another successful event. And this is my first time. I shall be a part of it every time after this. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I'm super happy to be here today. I think my name has become synonymous with SIIMA. I'm a part of the celebration every year, and Brinda ma'am and Vishnu sir are such warm people, and they have such an amazing show with such incredible people who come on stage, perform, receive awards, attend your events. So I think I'm so grateful to be here tonight and looking forward to an amazing show this year, like always. And yeah, see you all soon. Lots of love.
Thank you so much, Nidhi.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. I hope you all are doing well. Just like every other year, one more year with Saima, and it's like a festival. Just like Holi Diwali, there's Saima. Coming back every year together is we all wait for it. So it's much awaited celebration. All of us now well ಪ್ರತಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಈ one platform ಅಲ್ಲಿ one place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು we celebrate the films, which is very very important, and grateful to Brinda and Vishnu for making it happen every year, and thankful to all the sponsors, Nexam, Confident, and all the other sponsors as well for making this possible again. And I think it's just one big family now. So I think thank you so much for having us here again.
Thank you, Shanvi.
Them for this, and as you all know, Confident Group does not need any introduction. We do a lot of projects, and I have here with me my executive director Zenith. So Zenith, thank you for growing the company, and then we are able to sponsor all this. And I'm also thankful to my family for supporting me to sponsor all these programs. And I wish you all the best, and I'm sure that you will continue to do 20-30 years celebrations. And I see Nexa coming every year, so they are also getting benefit out of it, I'm sure. So we are all getting benefit out of this. So let this continue, and wish you all the best. And thank you, press media and all the media, for coming down. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, and I'll tell you why. I have started my journey very early. I started acting when I was 7 years old, and I began my journey with television. And of course, I did a lot of movies as a child actor. But as a lead, I was 15 years old when I started my journey with Uyala Champala in a Telugu film. And I had no idea where that path was heading towards. I had no idea if I was doing the right thing, because a new director, a new hero, I had no idea. And that is when Saima happened. I got the Best Debut Award that year. And that was an affirmation of sorts that I am on the right path. That gave me the confidence that, okay, this is the recognition that actors really work hard for. This is what we really want, the appreciation, the love, and the acknowledgement. And that is what Saima did for me. So thank you for that. Saima is special to me from so many years now, and this time is the first time that I'm going to perform. It is very exciting. I love the idea of dancing on stage, and Saima is making it possible this time for me. And I'm really excited to be here on stage with all of you people. I have been a big fan of all of you guys, and I love your work. And sir, thank you for being the head sponsors for Saima. This is an opportunity for all us actors to not just meet and celebrate, but also grow. And that growth is something that I look forward to, and I look forward to this year's Saima in Dubai. Thank you so much.
ನೀವು ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ ನಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಈ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ, ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸರಿ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು. ಸೊ ಆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೈಮಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದೇ ಫಸ್ಟು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು.
ಇವಾಗ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿರಿಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ತುಂಬ ಹಾಡುಗಳು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹಾಯ್ ಸರ್, ಸತೀಶ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 18ಇಂದ. ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರಿಂದ ಬಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ವಿಚಾರ. ಸೈಮಾ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇರಲಿ, ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇರಲಿ.
Sorry, but we have the question in English because I can't understand it.
ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
In question.
ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಗಲಿ, ಆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೈಮಾಗೆ ಯಾವ ಮಾನದಂಡನ ಅವ್ರು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
An actor or a cinema to get nominated in the Saima, what is the category that they have to fall into? Category? Yeah, I mean, what is that they? Yeah, benchmark.
So the criteria, Saima, I would say our nomination process is, ours is the only IP where we have an open nomination, where We choose nominations not just based on popularity, but the credibility of the performance, how well the performance is taken by the audience. And the voting happens very authentically, which is very transparent. It goes out on public, so it's not like anybody can decide. It's totally an unbiased process where people can vote and decide who the winner is. So it's as transparent as that.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಥಿಯೇಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ OTT ರಿಲೀಸ್
Just OTT release. How many just OTT release movies have been nominated?
OTT is not a part of SIMA, so why would it be in SIMA? OTT goes into the streaming category, so